Bright, cozy kitchen and soft morning light. Calm, happy background music playing. Want a breakfast that's ready when you wake up and secretly making your life healthier every day? Let's make overnight oats with yogurt, the easiest health hack ever. In today's fast life, a simple, nutritious breakfast can change everything. Overnight oats not only save your time, they boost your energy, your gut health, and even your mood. Here's what you'll need. Half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, and fresh fruits like berries, banana, or mango. Your choice. Step 1. Add oats, yogurt, milk, and chia seeds into a clean jar or container. Step 2. Stir it all up. Make sure everything is well combined. Step 3. Sweeten with honey and top with your favorite fruits. Step 4. Cover it, refrigerate overnight, and done. Overnight oats are rich in fiber, probiotics from yogurt, and antioxidants from fruits. They're good for your digestion, heart health, and even weight control, all while tasting amazing. 1 jar, 1 night, a healthier life. Start your morning smarter with overnight oats and yogurt. Subscribe for more healthy hacks.